Hello, this is a review of an unboxing of a vinyl figure of Piccolo from the company Pop Animation. I got this as a present from a friend of mine for the Christmas holidays. I didn't have time to open it until now, but I think it's time to do a proper review of it. This comes, as I see on the box itself from Pop Animation, has different other characters that you can collect. It has Nappa, Vegeta, Goku, Raditz, Chi-Chi, Goten, Frieza, and Kid Buu. So this is from the actual Dragon Ball Z series. This is 670, and apparently this is a 2019 fall convention. It's a limited edition, so the friend that bought it actually put their time into it. I have drawn Piccolo as part of one of my fast forward drawings, so you can go back and check that and follow, by the way, the channel. The box itself, it's pretty neat, I would say. I like it. You can see everything is clean inside and not much dust is inside of the box. And the shape is pretty alright. So yeah, let's just try to unbox it and see how the actual toy it is. Hopefully I'm not gonna ruin the package too much. Yeah, and this is how it looks. This is Piccolo. Alright, what I can say, the first thing that pops out is the fact that the plastic is really smooth. It's well painted, it doesn't have any grooves to it. You can see everything is joined up correctly and is separate from the body, the head itself. Everything is colored properly and I like it. Has a nice mount to it, so you can put it on a mount. Keep it like this on the table. I like his cape a lot, looks pretty good. So yeah, this is the unboxing of a Pop Animation. It's number 670. It's a limited edition for 2019 fall convention. This is it. This is a nice gift to give someone, and I'm really thankful for the friend that gave me. Thank you. See you in the next video.